In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp in just few steps. So let's dive in. The last method is the more legit that you can try. So let's start with the method 1. So here's my second account. I just sent a message and now I will delete for everyone. Let's open our second account. Here you can see that this message has been deleted for everyone. So to see this, minimize it and open settings. In settings, you have to search notifications, then open it. And here you have to open this notification settings. And you have to turn this on notification history, and here if you see this second WhatsApp notification of hello message with the name and with the time 3:37, and if I open chat you can see that this 3:37 message was deleted from that account and it's showing me in my notification history. The message was hello that you already see in the first portion of the video. So this was the first method, but it only works for Android. If you are iPhone user, you can use this second method. Minimize it and open App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp message backup. Here you will find some of apps that will help you to recover WhatsApp deleted messages. You can simply install it and it's easy to use. So for the third method that you can try, open WhatsApp and click on these three dots and open settings. Open chats and here you will find chat backup. Open it. From here you can choose your Google account. From here, after selecting your Google account, you have to open this frequency and you have to select this daily. Then it will back up your chats at the daily basis and it will help you to get the deleted messages. So these were the three ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. The second method is more legit.